Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to install iPadOS 17 on your iPad Pro. Let's have a look. Here the complete list of iPads compatible with iPadOS 17. Before you start, make sure that your iPad at least has 50% of battery remaining and connected with Wi-Fi. First, open Settings app on your iPad. In Settings, tap General on left panel. Then tap Software Update on right panel. You will see your current iPadOS version. Right now I am using iPadOS 16.6.1. Now I would like to upgrade to iPadOS 17 from iPadOS 16. In the bottom of the screen you will see also available. Tap upgrade to iPadOS 17. Total file size 3.03 GB. Tap download and install. Then tap agree. One more time tap agree and it will start downloading software update iPadOS 17. Update requested. About 9 minutes remaining. Preparing update. When software downloaded, it will start installing. Verifying update. Your iPad will reboot several times during the installation. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will see software update. Your iPad has been updated to iPadOS 17.0. Now go to settings and tap software update. Here you will see iPadOS 17.0. iPadOS is up to date. So these are the steps to install iPadOS 17 on iPad Pro. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.